Some prophecy teachers say we are near the sixth trumpet, that the rise in war, famine, AI, transhumanism, and spiritual decay all align with the final warnings. The angels took the censer, filled it with fire from the altar, and hurled it into the earth. There came peals of thunder, rumblings, flashes of lightning, and an earthquake. Revelations 8:5. Tremors in the earth, angels unbound, and the sound of trumpets growing louder. Symbols or reality? There's always the debate, literal or symbolic. Are the angels metaphor for coming kingdoms, nations that bring devastation through war? Could they be bioweapons, principalities, or dark spirits operating through governments and chaos?